Greeting menu for an Instagram chatbot. Use the chatbot's greeting menu to answer frequently asked questions, help users contact a manager, or start specific flows. The greeting menu is only shown once when the user opens the chatbot's direct messages. To create a bot menu, navigate to the chatbot page, open the Greeting menu tab, and click the Add Item button. Enter a menu element here. You can add up to 20 characters per field, Latin letters, numbers, and the underscore sign. Select the flow that will run after you select a command from the list. Click the Add button to add a command to the menu. Expand the menu with additional commands using the Add Item button. After creating the commands, click the Save Chat menu button to save the created items. Note, you can create up to 4 menu items. To activate the chatbot menu, move the toggle switch to the On position. Your bot menu with commands is ready to use.